And this is in the work for energy application 2. A bucket full of water of total mass means bucket plus water is capital M, is lifted up with a uniform velocity using a uniform rope, and rope also has a mass small m and a length small m. Now, work done by lifting force in lifting bucket full of water by means of rope. That means rope also lifting, bucket also lifting. So that is work done given by MGL. That means here, from here to here is total length. This is the lifting height MGH. That means in H place we write L plus MGL by 2. That means rope also lifting, no? Rope means we consider only the center of gravity of the rope, where total mass of the rope we consider. So that is at the middle of the rope, that is L by 2. So lifting of L by 2 is H by 2 also we can write, or L by 2. So mg L by 2. So work done by the bucket is mass of the bucket, acceleration due to gravity, and total length of the rope L lifted as potential energy comes as mgh. Here h is L. Now rope also lifting. So work done by the rope is potential energy considered by rope is mg L by 2. Because center of mass of rope is at center of rope. That is, raising the center of mass is lifting the rope. So work done total is equal to mgl. That is work done by bucket. F plus work done by rope is mgl by 2. So this is the total work done. Okay. So this is now we are going to know about this pendulum equations in the work for energy. A pendulum of length L, here to here L, carries a bob of mass m, the small bob, small m, and the bob is pulled aside, this one is pulled aside through an angle theta, and here makes an angle theta with this vertical by this horizontal force F. Now work done by the gravitational force acting down, bob raised up to this extent. So that raised part is equal to AB minus AC, and AB is MGL. That means here MGH we write, or this length is MG, and AC is this part is AC. So this is L cos theta, this is the length hypotenuse, and this is the right angle triangle. So this part is base, so this is L cos theta. So force is, work done is MGL cos theta. Now CB, this raised part, means AB minus AC. AB is equal to minus MGL because G acting down, bob going up, and minus MGL cos theta. This is MGL cos theta. So minus become plus. So minus MGL plus MGL cos theta. So take the minus MGL common. So 1 minus cos theta remains. So work done by force. This force is a horizontal force, is it moves CD. CD it moves. So the CD is equal to what? Here this line. In this right angle triangle again, this is the theta. Opposite to theta is vertical one. So this will come as L sine theta. CD L. Therefore, work done is equal to FL sine theta. Okay, the work done by the horizontal force is FL sine theta. Work done by the gravity is mgl 1 minus cos theta. Okay.